Sawadee Kap. Hello everyone. How are you today? This is again Teacher JP and welcome back to our class. This is still the continuation of our online classes here in our school. So, do not forget to listen well, read well, and speak well. Are you ready for the discussion? Let's get to it. Alright, so let's continue our discussion about multiplication. This is again the chapter 3 of our book. Okay? So last time we multiplied a digit number by a 4-digit number. Or no, it's about 3-digit number, I should say. Right? So again, last time we multiplied 1-digit number by a 3-digit number, Sam. Correct? Okay. But now we will multiply 1-digit number by a 4-digit number. So it levels up. Okay? Again, yesterday we did a lot of examples and we divided the examples into 2 categories, right? The multiplication without regrouping or without repetition, and the multiplication with repetition or with regrouping. Okay? So we have the word with and without. And we will do that one again here. So we will multiply numbers by a 4-digit number, okay, with and without repetition. Okay? Ready? Good job. Now, I will now show you some examples. We will start with examples in multiplying numbers without repetition. Okay? Number 1. Again, so while I am thinking of a number, again, when we say without repetition, we don't have any numbers on the top of the first number. Right? Again, and without repetition, that means we don't have any number on the top of our first number. Okay? And it's easy to multiply. It's because the product of each step is less than 10. Okay? That is from 0 to 9 only. All right, so to understand more about what I am talking, let us have this example. Number 1, I will put 3,421, okay, multiplied by 2. So what will be the answer? Okay, the first step is we need to organize our problem, right? So we will put it here. The first number will be right here. So 3,421. Of course, the symbol. Again, our symbol, we have different kinds, all right, or different types of symbols in multiplication that I showed you last time, correct? But since you are still in P3, so in P4, we will use this symbol, okay, X. And then we will copy now the 2. Okay, and then we will now start our multiplication process. Again, we will start with the ones place. Very good. So what is 2 times 1? 2 times 1. It's 2. Very good. Next, after the ones place, we'll move on to the tens place. So what is 2 times 2? 2 times 2. That's 4. Very good. Next, 2 times 4. 2 times 4. Great job. It's 8. And the last one, last digit is 2 times 3. 2 times 3. The answer is 6. Very good. Now let's read our answer. 6,842. Very good. Now, what do you call the answer in a multiplication problem? What do you call the answer in a multiplication problem? What is it? Product. Very good. So the product is 6,842. This is our product. All right? Easy. Okay, number 2. I will give 4,234 multiplied by 2. All right. Organize the problem. So write it down here. 4,234 times 2. Again, just a review. We can call this one as times or multiplied by. Correct? So it's either the 2. So you can say 4,234 times 2 or 4,234 multiplied by 2. They are just the same. Okay? Okay. Now let us solve this one. We will start with the ones place. Very good. So what is 2 times 4? 2 times 4 is 8. Very good. 2 times 3. That's 6. Good job. 2 times 2. Yes, that is 4. And then 2 times 4. 8. Good job. So what will be our product? 8,468. Super easy, right? Okay, good job. So we are done with the without repetition process in multiplication. Now let us move on to examples in multiplying numbers with repetition. This is more tricky. It has some added steps, but of course, we need to surpass one and answer the problems correctly. Okay? All right, let's start with number 1. So while I'm thinking of numbers, I will just give you a quick review about with repetition. That means there is a number or there are numbers on the top of the first number. Okay, so to understand about that one, let us have this one first. 2,344, for example, multiplied by 5 equals blank. Okay, so we have here 2,344 multiplied by 5. So let's organize this one first. Let us put here 2,344 multiplied by or times 5. Now let's start with the ones place. What is 5 times 4? 5 times 4 is 20. Very good. So again, where do we put 2 and where do we put 0? Yes, 0 will go down here and then the digit 2 will go on the top of the next number. Correct? Okay, next one. 5 times 4 again. What is 5 times 4? That's 20, yes. And then what will we do on the top of 4? The 2. We will add, correct? So we have 20 plus 2 is 22. So I will put 2 here and another 2 on the top of 3. Right? So we are done with ones in the tens. Let's move on to the hundreds. 5 times 3. 5 times 3. 15, correct? 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2. That is 17, correct? So 7 here and then 1 up here. We are done with the 100 place. Let us now move on to the last digit. 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10, correct? 10 plus 1, that is 11. Good job. Now, what will be our product? What is our product? 11,720. Very good. Next example. 9,856 multiplied by 9 equals blank. How? This one is a little bit harder, but you need to answer this one correctly, okay? Let us organize now. So we have this 9,856, okay, multiplied by 9. The ones placed first. So what is 9 times 6? 9 times 6. 9 times 6. 54. Very good. 54. That means I will put the second digit here. And the first digit will be put on the top of the next number. Okay? That's 54. Next, 9 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45, correct? 45 plus 5. 45 plus 5. That is 50. Good job. So we have 50, 0 down here, and then 5 on the top of 8. 9 times 8. 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. 72 plus 5. 72 plus 5. 77. Very good. So 7 here and then 7 up here. And then the last digit, 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Correct? Yes, 81. 81 plus 7. 81 plus 7. It's 88. Correct? So 88. So what will be our product? What will be our product? 88,704. Again, 88,704. Okay? Easy. Very good. Now let's move on to other examples. This is now the combination of multiplying numbers with and without repetition. Ready? Okay, let's try to answer. We will just answer the first 6. Okay, the first 6. That means This lower part is your activity. You need to copy these problems, okay, in your notebook, and you need to answer that one there. Okay? Did you understand? Okay, I will give you the announcement again after we finish answering all of the first six. Okay? Let's start with this one. 4012 times 4. 4012 times 4. Okay? What is 4 times 2? 4 times 2 is 8. Very good. So we have 8. 4 times 1. 4 times 1. 4. Very good. 4 times 0. 4 times 0. It's 0. Again, remember, any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. Okay, last one. 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Good job. So what will be our product? 16,048. Very good. Second one. 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, correct? So 6 here and then 1 on the top of 5. Am I correct? Yes. Next one. 4 times 5. 4 times 5. It's 20, correct? 20 plus 1. 20 plus 1. That's 21. Good job. So I will put 1 here and then 2 up here. Next, 4 times 8. 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32, correct? 32 plus 2. 32 plus 2. 34. Okay, so I will put 4 here and then 3 on the top of 3. 4 times 3. 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, correct? 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3. That is 15, correct? So our final answer is 15,416. Okay? 15,416. All right. Next number. What is 6 times 6? 6 times 6, 36. Correct? It's 36. So I will put 6 here and then 3 on the top of 4. Okay? 6 times 4. 6 times 4. 24. Correct? 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3. 27, correct? 7 here and then 2 on the top of 5. 6 times 5. 6 times 5. 30, correct? 30 plus 2. 30 plus 2. 32. Great. 32. Okay. 6 times 7. 6 times 7. 42. It's 42 plus 3. 42 plus 3. 45. Correct. So our final answer is 45,276. Again, 45,276. Great job. Next, 7 times 3. 7 times 3. That is 21, correct? It's 21. Next, 7 times 3 again. Of course, it's another 21. 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2. 23, correct? 23. 3 here and then 2 up here. 7 times 4. 7 times 4. That is 20, 28, correct? 28 plus 2. 28 plus 2. 28 plus 2 is 30, correct? So we have here 0 and then 3 up here. 7 times 5. 7 times 5. 35, correct? 35 plus 3. 35 plus 3. 35 plus 3. 38. So we have the answer, 38,031. 38,031. Okay, next. 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12, correct? So 2 here and then 1 up here. 6 times 9. 6 times 9. 6 times 9. 54, correct? 54 plus 1. 54 plus 1. 55, correct? 6 times 3. 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 6 times 3 is 18, correct? 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5. 23. Okay, 23. 3 here and 2 up here. 6 times 7. 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. 42 plus 2. 42 plus 2. 44. So we have the final answer. 44,352. Last number. 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10, correct? So 0 here and then 1 up here. 5 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45, correct? 45 plus 1. 45 plus 1. 46, correct? 5 times 4. 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, correct? 20 plus 4. 20 plus 4. 24, correct? 5 times 9. 5 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45 plus 2. 45 plus 2 is 47. So we have the final answer or the product, which is 47,460. 47,460. Okay? Now again, copy this one, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6 in your math notebook. Okay? In your math notebook. After copying, you need to answer. You need to answer. Okay? So I will record that one if I will check again your books. So you need to bring your notebook together with your book. Okay? If the school will give you again the permission to go to school and to give your book and notebook to your teachers. Okay? Again, so this will be your activity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Write in your notebook and you need to answer. And I want to see that one if the school will give us again the permission to check the books and notebooks. All right? Okay, very good, everyone. Very good, everyone. So that is our lesson for today. I hope you learned something. Do not forget to answer your activity and the homework I will give you. If you have questions, do not hesitate to contact me in line. And that is all for today. And remember, take care always. See you soon. Kap kun kap.